Mulay and I am studying in Parle Tilak Vidyalay ICSE grade 5. I had recently completed my Ranger course with SP Robotics. My message to you all is घर पे रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. Stay home, stay safe. Yes, you guessed it right. I am talking about the current soaring issue of the whole world, the corona pandemic. We all are in lockdown over 4-5 months, while most of the things are getting unlocked and our life is coming back on track. Still, we need to protect ourselves by maintaining social distance and personal hygiene. So I am presenting my project Range Guard. As I mentioned earlier about personal hygiene, my Range Guard will help in conducting primary screening of the visitors entering into society premises. How? That we will see later. First, let's see the components I have used in my project. I have used an arm to pick up objects from the PPE kit, and it has motors, some screws and spur gears, and contains batteries and 4 wheels. Hello friends, do you want to experience my Range Guard in action? Okay, then I am right in society in the security cabin. When any visitor steps in, my Range Guard will come in action. Let's see how. Now that the visitor has escaped, my Range Guard will conduct the primary scanning of the visitor. Now that he has finished the primary screening, now we will move towards the sanitizer. Now he is giving the sanitizer. After finishing it, he will give the mask if needed. So how was the demo? Hope you liked it. At present, my Range Guard is semi-automated and doing all checks manually. In future, it can be fully automated by adding digital components to it. In this way, my Range Guard is playing an active role of our security guards when they are not around. Additionally, my Range Guard can help them to follow their protocols. Thank you for watching the video.